This is my SanDisk USB-C drive. My name's David and this is my review. I picked up this flash drive to try to alleviate some of the data which was being stored on my Google Drive. To start us out, this drive really fits in this weird world that we're living in where we're both supporting USB-C as well as USB. This flash drive does a really good job because it can rotate between USB-C and USB. SanDisk really didn't skimp on this drive. All the surfaces are made out of complete metal. This flash drive is able to both read and write at 150 megabytes per second. One of the reasons why I went with SanDisk in particular was doing like photography and video a lot. I was used to using SanDisk drives because they were so trusted with data. Because when you're doing a lot of video and you're doing a lot of photo, you don't want to lose data on your drive because honestly that's a whole lot of work what you just done. In the past, I've had trouble with different memory cards, but I've never had an issue with a SanDisk card. So I felt like it was a responsible thing to trust this really important data to SanDisk. In addition to going with SanDisk, I also got the Rescue Recovery Plan just in case something were to happen to my flash drive. They can go and try to recover that data and they'll actually put it on a brand new device and ship it back to me. With my flash drive, this option was also available to me upon checkout. If you're looking to store data on a flash drive, this SanDisk flash drive is a great option.